Going on to Boxxx. You know, it's your boy. Big up everybody. Big up my 113 subscribers. You see me? I'm not bother drop no video this week because I'm bearing for watch it. Pink Panther soak. You see me? So I just come outside, come wash off the Panther and wash off the bad Corolla. There to splash up on the two car. Then wash off the Corolla for drive guy work tomorrow. But since I get the chance to do a video like regular thing, you know what the regular thing go? I go just drop some car. My friend them own them or some group of me in owned by some people in the groups of me in and want to rate them from 1 to 10. You see me? Big up on yourself, continue to subscribe, go and like and share and comment. Kick it off that way. Boop. Like American.
Yeah, American.
American.
So yeah, Roger with orange rice. Yeah. Look at that. Alright, this is a 98 Starlet Clancer. My little project car, you understand? So, I have some work to do on it. Right now, automatic. Plan for go turbo soon. I'll drop in a gearbox first. You understand? I run 15 offset. Add me look at touch to it and everything. Fender flare. All works. A little thing at the back come like a little mini SUV. People say never take it off because it don't have a look already. Install my muffler. Basically, you never get a car like this. Get it in a deplorable condition. So add my little touch to it.
Watch out, I'm going to slide this. I roll out a video, you know? Hey, you know?
Come on, I'm ready.
Alright peeps, so that is it, you see me? Remember, you know, subscribe, like, share, comment, you see it? Follow me on Instagram too at autobox_JA. Follow me on Instagram at J_outlaw, you see it?